Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Task Priority Tracker, an all-in-one task management system that helps you organize, prioritize, and manage tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix, giving you a clear system for focusing on what matters most and getting more done. Please note that I'm always updating my templates to improve and optimize them, so this video may not reflect the most recent changes. Be sure to check the Instructions tab for the latest features, updates, and guidance. If you don't have the tracker yet, it's available in my Etsy shop. There's also a link in the description below. All right, let's get started. There are 6 tabs in this spreadsheet. The Instructions tab is the first tab, and it provides you with step-by-step guidelines, so take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. At the top are key guidelines covering compatibility, protected tabs and formulas, and where to find answers to common questions. The tutorial section gives you access to this video as well as a link to a fully filled out sheet for reference. The rest of the instructions walks you through how to use each tab, so remember to read through everything here before beginning. The Setup tab is where you customize the core elements that power the entire task priority tracker. The first 2 tables determine the priority level of a task and whether it is important, not important, urgent, or not urgent. These categories are part of the Eisenhower Matrix system. Under Action, you'll see the 4 Eisenhower categories: Do First, Schedule, Delegate, and Delete. You can rename these if desired, but they should continue to represent the same concepts to preserve functionality. Use the Category section to create custom task categories such as Marketing, Operations, Sales, or Personal. In the Assignee section, enter the names of team members or individuals responsible for tasks. The Status section allows you to customize progress labels such as Not Started, In Progress, Complete, On Hold, or Canceled. Complete and canceled are also used in formulas throughout the sheet and should retain their meaning if renamed. Finally, use important dates to track holidays, deadlines, company events, and other key dates that may affect your schedule. Once setup is complete, the rest of the workbook automatically uses these values throughout the system. The Task Manager is the central workspace where you enter, prioritize, assign, and track all tasks. Begin by entering a task category and task name. Next, select whether the task is important and urgent using the checkboxes. The spreadsheet automatically assigns the appropriate Eisenhower Matrix action based on your selections. You'll then see the action column populate with one of 4 outcomes: Do First, Schedule, Delegate, or Delete. Assign the task to a team member using the Assignee dropdown. Enter a start date and due date. The Days Left column automatically calculates the remaining time and highlights overdue items. Use the Status dropdown to update task progress as work is completed. The Notes column can be used for additional details, reminders, or task-specific information. On the left side of the sheet, you'll find a visual reference guide explaining each Eisenhower Matrix quadrant to help you make prioritization decisions consistently. The Priority Matrix organizes tasks into the 4 Eisenhower categories, giving you a focused view of your priorities. This is a fully automated sheet, so please do not edit any part of this sheet. At the top of each section, you'll see summary metrics showing total tasks, pending tasks, and complete tasks, along with completion percentages. Below each summary card is a dedicated task list containing all tasks assigned to that task category. The Do First section highlights high priority tasks requiring immediate attention. Schedule contains important tasks that should be planned for future completion. Delegate shows tasks that can be assigned to others. And Delete contains low-value tasks that may not deserve your time or attention. This tab is ideal for reviewing your workload by priority level and identifying where your focus should be directed. The dashboard provides a high-level view of workload, progress, deadlines, and task distribution. At the top, you'll see overall task progress, which tracks completion across all active tasks. The Assignees by Action chart shows how tasks are distributed among team members and action categories. The Action Summary cards display task counts and completion rates for do first, schedule, delegate, and delete. The Task Status by Action chart helps you visualize how tasks are progressing across statuses, such as not started, in progress, and complete. The Tasks Due Today section highlights items requiring immediate action. The Overdue Tasks section identifies tasks that have passed their due date and are still not complete. The Task Overview table provides a filterable list of tasks. Use the category, assignee, and status filters to quickly narrow your view. Finally, the category completion chart compares your task volume against completion percentages to help identify areas that may need additional focus. The Calendar tab provides a monthly visual schedule of all tasks and deadlines. Start by selecting the year, month, and preferred start date of the week. The calendar automatically populates with tasks based on their due dates. Tasks are color-coded according to their Eisenhower Matrix action, making priorities easy to identify at a glance. Items that are already completed will not be color-coded, but will instead show a check mark indicating completion. Use the filter controls to display only specific categories, assignees, statuses, or actions. Below the filters, you'll find a monthly goals section where you can track personal or professional goals throughout the month. A progress indicator automatically tracks goal completion. The Notes section can be used to capture reminders, ideas, or planning notes for the month. This tab is perfect for visual planning, workload balancing, and ensuring important deadlines remain visible throughout the month. The Task Priority Tracker combines task management, the Eisenhower Matrix, dashboards, and calendar planning into one connected system, helping you prioritize effectively, stay organized, and focus on what matters most. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for things to cover, reach out on Etsy and let me know. If you found this video to be helpful to you, also let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to be notified when more videos like this come out, hit subscribe. Cheers and have a great day.